Laser hair removal in Indian skin requires efficacy, safety and comfort. What is important from a doctor's point of view is patient education, safety of the patient and avoiding any complications by constant supervision and by advanced technologies so that you have a pain-free, smooth and comfortable experience. Why is laser hair removal tough in Indian skin? Because we Indians have usually a darker skin tone, but also we have coarse and thick hair, which makes it easy for us to go through the entire procedure. But not to forget that being a darker skin, the safety of the patient and the skin problems have to be avoided at any cost, and that's why the doctor's supervision comes into play. How do we ascertain a patient gets a smooth experience is by using advanced technology. So let me tell you about the technologies for laser hair removal. Primarily in India, there are two technologies which we use. One is the ND YAG, commonly known as gentle YAG, and another technology is the SHR motion technology, which is used in the diode laser. Both the lasers can be very comfortable and pain-free. Both the technologies are very effective, but there are some limitations. Diode laser hair removal, when done, it is comparatively very much pain-free, but it works on coarse hairs, and after a point when the hair becomes very thin like a peach fuzz, it will stop working. There comes into play the ND YAG laser. Here in Tamira, we have a combination of both the lasers to ensure that you are completely free of hair, that is 85 to 90% of hair is reduced by the end of all the sessions. Now, how do we go about it and what are the durations between all the sessions? Usually when you come for a laser hair removal consultation at Tamira, we do your consultation, we ascertain the type of the skin you have, which is mostly we have type 4 and type 5 skin, and then the type of and the quality of hair. Every body part can be different in the hair thickness and the hair growth and density. Depending upon that, various energies are determined to be given on various body parts. We cannot give a same energy on all the body parts. Now, we have safety issues. How do we ascertain that the safety is not compromised? The machines which we use are high level and high technology machines which have the cooling effect, and they prevent your skin from any kind of burns and hyperpigmentations. Usually the first laser hair removal session is done, and then after that the second session is done at average of 4 weeks. After every session, what can you expect? So you will expect a decrease in the hair density, a decrease in hair thickness. The hair will start becoming thin after every session and the growth will be slower. So that's how the subsequent sessions, that is third, fourth, fifth sessions, can be 6 to 8 weeks apart, a little bit of difference among the body parts. Some body parts are very sensitive, like underarms, private areas and sometimes the face when the hair is very thick. To reduce that pain and to maximize the comfort, sometimes a numbing cream is also required to numb the area so that you go through the procedure with least discomfort. After the laser hair removal, it is very important that we tell the patient about the aftercare creams which are required to apply to minimize the redness and little bit of the swelling which patient might get depending upon the skin type. We do everything. We are there with you from the starting of the procedure till you go through it, and we make sure that your experience is seamless. Any other doubts about the laser hair removal, you can call us or you can DM us. We will be happy to share. Usually a laser hair removal sessions, if people ask how many sessions will be required, on average 6 sessions will be required, but if there are concerns like thyroid issues, PCOS issues and menstrual irregularities, 2-3 more sessions will be required. And after the sessions are complete, you may need 1 or 2 yearly sessions as per maintenance, or you can do it on your own because the hair becomes very thin. Suppose in the area where you had 100 hairs, you will be left with 10 hairs which will be very thin and hardly noticeable. Thank you so much.